I'm Morris Jones, and I'm a lecturer here at San Jose State University in the College of Engineering. I've been making videos for about 2 years now. It also helps me focus on exactly what should I be teaching. And so I try to make videos about each important concept, and I do this primarily in my undergraduate classes and in a couple of graduate classes where the concepts are particularly hard for some of the students. I am now recording to the cloud, and this is October 19th of 2020. I found that by focusing on what are my teaching concepts for each lesson, where are students having trouble, then augment that with a video for those students who just need a little more effort and time to get those concepts down. If students get too far behind, they just give up. And videos give students a chance and a confidence that they can catch up. It gives them a growth mindset that, oh, I didn't get the lecture, but I can go back and watch some of these videos. So now I have a line and it's blue. I can put axes on. It's real easy to plot stuff in here. And instead of making a 1-hour video, I found 15 to 25 minutes is their tolerance factor for watching one video. And so in a lecture, I might have 3 main concepts I'm teaching that day. I will make a video on each concept separately. I don't need a word-by-word lecture, but I need a good outline, what I'm going to say, and I also put time, about how much time I'm going to allocate for that subject. If I don't script my videos, I ramble, and then later when I'm reviewing them, I find out I didn't talk about entire concepts because I was distracted during the video. Get a good headset, because you need really good quality. You need a mic with a good foam protector so it's not popping and bursting on you sitting right in front of your mouth, and then just talk naturally, because the audio sometimes is more important. I've divided my undergraduate courses into modules, and I've put links to the videos in each module on the different subjects that are appropriate for that learning module. And then we take 1 to 1.5 weeks to complete a module in the class. I usually can tell if they watch the videos by how they do on other assessment instruments like exams and quizzes. So on Canvas, I have it required that they have to click on the link that opens it. And when I've talked to students, many of them have told me they watched the video several times. I find in many lectures, there's so much new vocabulary and wording, especially for students who don't have English as their primary language, that they're lost during the lecture. And so by having material that goes over all of that, that's captioned, that they can stop and rewind and replay until they have all of these concepts down, is a big asset for them. You have to understand that all data is full of errors. That's just the way it comes to us. There's no such thing as perfect data. This generation has been raised on video. And so it's a medium they're very comfortable with, they're very happy with it. They can watch it on their phone, they can listen to it on a bus, they can do all of these things. So I think it's relevant to the generation we're teaching. That video is a valuable portion of a student's education, and that students appreciate that. And so plan a little bit, make a few, and it's kind of like making pancakes. You burn the first couple of them, just throw them away. And then you get it down to where they're coming out golden brown every time, and your videos will get a lot better.